Welcome. In front of me is a Poco F6 Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So, to get started, you will want to pull down your toggles by swiping down from the top right side of the screen, like so, and then locate the power saving mode, which will look like this, a battery with a plus inside of it. You can tap on it, and as you can see, it changes the color to indicate that it's enabled. It also will change the filling of the battery icon in your status bar as well. And there's no info about what it changes, at least not when you press on it. Let's see if we have any info in here when you hold it, and we do. So battery saver will do things like don't wake up screen for notifications, turn off always on display, turn off when charging. So this will just disable the power saving mode when the device battery is above 50%. You also have a schedule timer for it, so you can have it turn on, for instance, during the night time, which might be a very good option to have enabled permanently. And then also turn off when charged. So, okay, so this is when fully charged, and this is when 50 or fully charged. I guess, wait, the message is the same. So not sure why, I know, never mind. So these two options are the same. This is just for ultra battery saver option. So right now I'm using just a normal power saving mode, but there is an ultra power saver. I don't think it's added by default. Let's see. Don't see anything here. Let's select edit. Don't see anything in here either. So there is somewhere an ultra power saver mode. Not really gonna go into it as I don't really know where it's hidden. It's probably under the settings and battery. But what it does, it's basically a more intrusive battery saver where it just kind of will remove functionality of the device, remove wallpapers and all that stuff, and it prioritizes just battery life above everything else. But this is the one that you will be most likely using 99% of the time. Now, once you're done with the power saving mode, you can just tap on the toggle once again to disable it, and everything will go back to functioning as it did before you enabled it. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.